guys, today we're going to see the Shoe Dazzle playset. It comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins and 2 jelly bags and this playset. Where are these Shopkins? Let's just a special edition Shopkins. Let's just put it here. Another special edition Shopkins. But where is my exclusive Shopkins? Wow! These exclusive Shopkins are so cool. Look at it. Look. And today I opened the pack and I went somewhere and in my car I just put it in the sun and the eyes changed color in this Shopkins, but not in this one because it already has a color. So amazing! So look, you can see my amazing collection of Shopkins, and I'm really hoping to get Lizzie lace up, but the other version of her. She's so cool in the other version, so I can match that. Yay! So, and 2 different colors of Hattie Hat, which is Beverly Hills, which matches with Hattie Hat. And here I have Suzanne, which is the match of Bonnie Beret, which is the match of Jennifer Rain. And here's Molly Moccasin, and which is ultra rare. And over here I have my special edition Shopkins because my exclusive Shopkins are here, so they could hang out with them. And ice catcher is here, a shoe or a hat, or in the special edition. No, I want to be the cashier. Okay, Chatter. Okay, this is it. This is the end of my video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, comment.